Hello friends, good morning. Hello friends, good morning. So friends, today I'm going to talk about yesterday that what happened to me last day. So finally guys, it was a very beautiful day too. It was a very beautiful day to me. It was a very beautiful day to me. Means yesterday. There are so many things. There were so many things happened to me last day. And each and everything happened very beautifully. And I really appreciate it. And I was thanking to Allah that whatever it was a very beautiful day. It was a very beautiful day, Alhamdulillah and Mashallah. So today, today is my fourth day of speaking, and so today is my fourth day of speaking, and I'm looking at myself that, and I'm looking at myself that little by little I'm getting improved in English. Means one day I will become a very good speaker. I'm not talking about being an English speaker. I'm not talking about English speaker. I'm talking about I'm talking about being I'm talking about being a very good speaker. I'm talking about being a very good English speaker. I'm talking about being a good speaker. Yes. And guys, you won't believe me. You won't believe me. But it happens. But it happens. You have to follow, You have to follow, You have to follow, Have you heard about practice? If you practice anything, if you practice anything in this world, then definitely then definitely you will achieve that. You will achieve that. And you will learn that how to do this. You will definitely learn that how to do this. Yes, I'm not joking. I'm not joking at all. It happens, but you have to believe in yourself. It happens, but you have to believe in yourself that I can do it. The very first mindset you must have in you that I can do it. Whether rain or shine, I have to do it. You don't have to be confused about your goal. You don't have to be confused about it. You don't have to be confused about your goal. That will I able to be 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 achieve my goal or not. Never think like that. Never think like that. Never think that. Don't ever think that. Never think like that. Don't ever think that. You have to you have to cultivate the habit of working hard in you. And after some days, you will see that you are you are little by little, you are somewhat reaching your goal. You are somewhat reaching your goal. You are somewhat reaching towards your goal. Yes. Yes guys. There are so many notifications. There are different notification. There are different are coming on my phone. But I don't but I don't but I just ignore it. Because what I have to do right away, what I have to do right now, I have to focus on speaking. And if I don't focus on speaking, then my then my then this day will be then this day will be then this day also will be lost. Then this day also then I will really then I will then this day also I will lose. Then this day also I will lose, and I don't want to lose this. And I don't want to lose this. It's very difficult. it's very difficult to look at the camera while speaking. It's very difficult to look at the camera while speaking. But by doing every day, by doing every day, by doing every day on a daily basis, by doing every day on a daily basis, you will be able to do this. You will be able to do this by doing daily basis, by doing daily basis, by doing on a daily basis, by doing on a daily basis, on a regular basis. You will learn to speak, that how to speak on the camera, how to speak on the camera. Yes. So finally, guys, I have to speak about the incident that occurred to me last night. That occurred. I have to talk about the incident that occurred to me last day. So let's get started, guys. So an uncle came to me who sells the vegetable, and his name is Riyaz uncle. Yes, he came at I think 12 o'clock, and he stopped his scooty and asked about me all of a sudden, he asked about me. He asked me that where is Guddu. Then my mother told me. My mother told him that he's at home. What happened? Then he then he then he told my mother that call him. Then he told my mother, call him, right away, call him right here, call him right away, right here, call him right here, call him right away. Then my mother called me, and I went to him by taking my phone. Then he told me that please note down a number, note a number down. Then he told me that please note down a number on your phone. Then I noted, please note down a number, and call him right away. Then I noted down the number, and I called, and I called and I called him up, that person, and I called him up, and I called him right away, and I called him at the same time, and I called him at the same time. I was asking to the uncle. I was asking to uncle that what which type of which type of person he is. He is a sir or something else. Then uncle told me that you have to tell about me that have you talked to Riyaz uncle about me, that you are looking for a boy. So you have to tell something else. You have to tell something like this. Then he received my call. And he asked me that you are the person who wants to do the work, who wants to do. You are the person who wants to do. Then I told him, yes, I am the person. Then I told him, yes, I am the person. Then I told him, yes, I am the person who wants to do this job. Then he told me that, can you see me today? Then I told him, yes, why not? Then he told me that come to my office. I'm at my office. So as soon as possible, please come to see me. Come here and see me. Please, as soon as possible, please come here and see me. Then I told him that of course I'm coming. He told me that before getting 2, you have to come here before it's getting 2. You have to come here before 2, okay? Because at the time of 2 o'clock I will go to have my lunch. So please, sir, you have to come here as fast as you can, okay? Then I told my parents that let me get ready and let me go to that place Where is where is he calling me? Where is he where is he calling me? Okay. Then my parents then my parents did not agree with me. He was asking me that you are sick, will you be able to reach there or not? Will you be able to be reach there or not? Then I told my mother, of course I can go there. I can go there, I can walk. I can walk. I'm not that much big. I'm not that much big. So I finally so I finally reached that place and saw him saw him. He was looking very nice. He was looking a very nice person. He was looking a very nice person. He was looking a very good person. He was looking a very good person. He described he described all the things about he described all the things regarding his work. Regarding his work. Yes. Means what are the things, what are the works, are which type of work are there, which type of work are done by them. So they used to describe to me they used to describe me they used to describe me, and I told him okay. Okay, so he asked he asked me about the salary. He asked me about the salary, that in where you were working, so over there how much you were getting, where you were working, so at that place how much you were getting there, how much you are getting there. Then I told him that I was getting 12K. Then he told me that I can't give you this much amount. I can't give you this much, but according to us we will provide you. But according to us we will provide you. And the and the person who I saw him, whom I met, and the person whom I met, he was just a manager. He was just a manager. He was not the boss. He was just a manager. He was just a manager. The boss was someone else. The boss was someone else. He told me that you have to you have to see my boss also. You will have to see my boss also. And thereafter we will decide that what we have to do. Then I told him, why not? Let's go to him. Let's go to him and see him. Let's go to him. Let's go to see him. Let's go to see him. Let's go to see him. Then then he took me. He took me to his bike. He took me over his bike. He took me with his bike. He took me. He took me by his bike, and I went to his boss. I went to his boss. I went to his boss. There was a person. There was a person next to the door. There was a person next to the door, and he was running the computer. He was running the he was running the system. He was doing, I think, video editing. He was doing the video editing, and he was doing the video editing, and the boss was inside of the office, Then that person that person that person got into the office, and he sat there, and he also called me inside, and he also called me inside and he also called me inside of the office, inside of the office inside of the cabin where the boss was sitting where the boss was sitting where the boss was sitting. So 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 I greeted him. So I greeted to his boss. I greeted to his boss. So I greeted. So I greeted his boss. So I greeted to his boss. So I greeted to his boss. I told him that Assalamu alaikum. Then he answered my. Then he answered me, and he told me that have a seat. Then thereafter he started asking about me that what do you do, what are you doing right now, and where you are working. He was asking me. He started asking me. He started asking about this. He started asking about me. He started asking about me. Then I also told him. Then I also told him. And at the last of the at the last of the meeting, at the last of the interview, he asked me about the salary. He asked me about the salary, that how much you are getting there, how much you are getting there. Then I told him that 12K I was getting there. Then he told me that I will also give you, but not this much. I will give you as much as we can afford, as much as we can afford. Then I told him, okay, okay sir, okay, let's fine, okay, fine, okay, fine, okay, it's fine. Then he told me that I'll call you on the I'll call I will tell you I'll tell you about the salary on the phone. I'll tell you about the salary over the phone, okay? I will tell you I will tell you about the salary on the phone, okay? I will tell you about the salary over the phone until you be patient. Until you keep patience, okay? Until you keep patience. Then the interview got over. Thereafter the interview got over. Thereafter the interview got over. And I told him, have a nice day, sir. Thank you so much. I'm going. Thank you so much. 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 It's been 17 minutes of my video. It's been 17 minutes of my video. And however I'm speaking. And still I'm speaking. It's been 17 minutes of my video and still I'm speaking. Oh my oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm doing a great job. I'm doing a great job. I should really, I should really pet on me. I should really pet at me. I should really pet on me. I'm really proud of this. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself because I'm speaking here. I like speaking. I like speaking. That's why I'm speaking.